Tyree, gutter rat, loser, lowlife, don't got two pennies to rub together, sneeze. Bro, you, for the sake of not getting your butt kicked every chance you get, you better stop talking trash, bro. I watched another video of you fighting. You, bro, I never thought I'd ever say this before in my life. But Charlie will whoop your tail. And he can't fight neither. Neither one of y'all giblet heads can fight. But out of the two biggest losers on the planet, he will beat you. They probably won't even be close, other than because both of y'all smoke cigarettes. Both of y'all can't go no more than 10 seconds. Then he will call a timeout, and you would just walk to the side and think that means you get a timeout. You and Charlie are the biggest gutter rats on this planet. And it's a shame that one gutter rat is just a little bit better than the other gutter rat. You talk so much trash, man. And I'm sitting here and listening to you talk to this guy asking you to unblock him, and you talking like you this big tough guy. You ain't doing nothing, sucker. By the way, nobody call it sucker anymore. I don't know who told you to say that. And then you got that creepy smile. Man, oh God, man, just don't smile, man. God. You look like a meth addict trying to have a fake smile on your face so you can get some more meth from your dealer. That's what you look like. Stop with the smiling. You look disgusting before the smile, but now when you smile, it just puts everything in perspective, how creepy you look, how soft you are. So just stop it, bro. Please, I'm begging you. I know you ain't gonna stop it because you still try to rap. After I told you countless times that there's kids on YouTube, and you trying to rap on there. What are you trying to do? Give everybody nightmares? Jesus Christ. I'm begging you to stop rapping. And I told you ever get a deal, that dude, they go sign you to the biggest contract ever, and it's gonna be a contract for you to never rap again in life. They gonna say, if you sign this contract, that means you are not allowed to rap. You're not allowed to rap. You're not allowed to scream that you call singing. Jesus Christ, boy, that is even worse. When you be like singing, rapping. And I'm going to go to the corner store. I'm going to the corner store. I'm going to buy some cigarettes, 'cause y'all are haters. I say it again. Y'all are haters. That is your singing. And tell you the truth, that's probably better than what you ever put out. I mean, it is like, bro, you already, man, I'm peeing. God, sorry about that, people. God, man. Anyway, bro, you talk so much trash, man. And you cannot fight, man. You really cannot fight at all. That's just being honest with you, man. You are terrible at fighting. You terrible at everything you touch. And you just, bro, you need to let it go, man. Please let it go before you get arrested for trying to rap. Or get arrested for just being you. Because it gets really old hearing you keep trying to threaten people, and then when it's time to put those hands up, you can't fight a lick. You threaten. Then when they say F it, I'm pulling up on your skinny hillbilly butt, and you know what you end up doing? As usual, running high, and then get on YouTube. You know, YouTube, that place that you said that you don't need ever. You remember that? Yeah, I knew you remember that, because you know how you always say you don't need YouTube, and you say, what's your famous words about YouTube? Oh, YouTube is corny, man. YouTube is corny, man. I don't need YouTube. But every freaking day you on here saying, I don't even like YouTube. You know, I don't even like it. But, you know, if they monetize me, you know, we make money. But I don't care about YouTube. I don't even care. But every chance you get, if they monetize me, making some money, bro, you would make like 47 cents a month or something. Bro, YouTube is in this business to make money. Make money. Dum-dum. Money. They ain't in this business to throw money down the drain. That's exactly what's happening to you. You are not good, bro. Stop thinking you belong on YouTube. Because once you get on it, and everybody really lay into you, what are you going to do, bro? You're going to freaking bomb, like, as usual. But then you're going to blame it on everybody else. You're going to say, what, for this person, that person, I done did great on it. You know what I mean? The government acted for me. The government did it. Yep, that's what it is. The government want to see me fall. Yep. The government want to see me fall. That's why I haven't been on YouTube yet. Yep. That's it, because I got great music, and I just don't know why they wouldn't want to put me on. Because I'm the greatest to ever lace them up. So, you know, maybe you go at that angle. Say you that great that you just gotta get on YouTube. So don't worry about it, bro. You're never gonna you're never gonna get it. You don't deserve it. Ever. You loser. That's all you are. Oh, now you're a pussy loser. Whew. You can't fight, man. I never would have imagined somebody that bad. I never would have thought that your fighting ability was that bad. You, bro. Bro, you are terrible, bro. I mean, you can't fight a lick, bro. Mm-mm. Bro, they should make a law that says if you engage in any type of fighting with gutter rat sneeze, you are going to get a $500,000 fine because he is a terrible fighter. He cannot fight, and y'all would beat him up every time, bro. You need to be on an endangered species because that what I seen, that's grounds of this being so terrible that you couldn't possibly be able to protect yourself. No way. No freaking way, bro. You are good and terrible. Good and terrible. Wow. What a loser. What a loser, bro. Man. Whew. So, on that note, loser, there it is.